Well, yeah, I just an idea, just Revolver Only. It's gonna be a YouTube video. Sure. I mean, you're already in it. I'm recording right now, so even if I fail, I'm gonna still post it. So it's Cataglitch VR. It's literally my name. It's my name after the AKM. So feel free to go subscribe when you have the time. Heck yes, bro. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I'm at 190. Thank you. Dang. Okay. Nice. I'm trying to hit 200 by the end of before my birthday. It's in July. Which, granted, I'm probably gonna hit it before then, but still, it's still good. Where? Yeah. Hit the guy up here for 38. Oh my goodness, I have the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. Okay, there's a guy right here. His teammate's here. Rezzing. Back here, the dude's back here, he's running. Heads up! Did you kill the guy up here? Dead. Oh my goodness, bro. This guy needs to hop off. No, they're still here. They're still here. Oh my goodness, from behind! Oh my goodness, bro. Here, res.
Teammate down.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're screwed. Dang. GG's, bro. GG's. Good fight. Good.